This is really a perfect photo.
Dramatic moment. They close the door in front of us and then
Bye bye for now, Cala Gonone. Wow, look at that. So guys, we had a little problem today. This day is starting in a very wrong note anyway. We woke up and we wanted to catch our cruise, well, little cruise boat to go to Cala Luna and all the beaches around that area. However, we arrived like, I think 10 minutes late because we basically saw our boat leaving. We should have come a little earlier, but was like really tired yesterday. Basically, we missed the boat. That's a lot of money. So after all the hassle in the morning, we decided to come to Cala Gonone. We are taking a taxi boat. Well, it's kind of like a taxi for a lot of people to go to Cala Luna. It's taking like 15 minutes to reach there. And now we are chilling a little bit with our ice latte and hopefully everything will turn out well to go to Cala Luna. It's so hard. And this guy is laughing. We're kind of having a agitating conversation in the car.
when things don't go the way you expect them to go.
But I think we did well. No, we're not like end up in a huge fight. We're just like, okay, there is some issues and problems. We can solve it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
This is a teamwork.
Yeah, it's a teamwork.
We're in this boat together.
We're getting food to comfort our hearts.
Fuck the diet.
So now you're actually using this to compensate all the problems we had.
This is called small certain happiness in Chinese, I think.
Wow, you're good now.
I know.
This is a octopus panini, and yours is pinsa.
Pinsa. Yeah.
What is pinsa? It's like a small pizza.
Yeah, it's like a pizza, but it's flattened without tomato. It's like
Okay.
fresh. On the top is just fresh.
Oh,
I don't think they put the stuff in the oven, just the base is on the.
okay. Let's try. Okay.
It's very crunchy. It's very.
Okay.
And just the ingredients are very
Fresh.
There's some. I think this is stracciatella or burrata.
Mm. The octopus is quite juicy. I didn't expect that, but it's really good. I love it. And just like Marco says, it's very fresh. All the ingredients are good. It's delicious. Cala Gonone is like really a place surrounded with beach and like touristic harbor. You can do a lot of things. There's also diving, rock climbing, all kinds of activities. The beach. I mean, this beach is a bit like more like mediocre beach. Yeah. So this is our boat. We found it out. So finally at the end, we are on the boat to go to Cala Luna. Oh my god, this whole morning hassle.
You guys on the channel, you have lost the dramatic moment. They close the door in front of us and they're like, no, you are too late. We saw the boat was right there.
We could have
We could-
got it, but
We just
it's like 2 minutes maybe. 2 minutes
Yeah,
earlier we could have got it.
we arrived 5 minutes earlier. I think it would be fine. They would just
Yeah.
let us in.
So if you guys ever book anything from TripAdvisor or like get your guide, remember to always go like 30 minutes before. This time we lost it because we were a little bit unorganized, let's say. There's Chinese. They say 欢迎, welcome. It's very relaxing today. There's no people on the boat. Bye bye for now, Cala Gonone. Cala Luna is not an easy place to get to. You either hike in for a few hours or you take a boat, which is what we did. About 20 minutes and way more comfortable than hiking. And the signature of Cala Luna is these caves, huge ones. And no, they're not carved by the sea. It was the rain. These cliffs are limestone and limestone dissolves, so the rain just kept working on it, and after a few million years, you get these. And down there, white pebbles, sand underneath, that's what makes the water turquoise. That's why people come here. Wow, look at that. This amount of people. I think these are people who are about to go back. Okay, so we're finally here at Cala Luna, and as I expected, this is like a very touristic spot, so all the people have already been here and there's so many tourists compared to Cala Goloritzè yesterday, which is more like a private, well, not private, but it's more like a beach that is difficult to get. The most interesting part of this beach should be the cave, so we're now walking to the cave and it's not very simple. Let's have a look. Ooh. Water is nice. So now we're going into this cave to have a look because they're quite cool. Wow, it's very pretty. Yeah, so this is the Cala Luna. Ah, this is the cave that people usually take photo for. We'll go in to see how it looks like a bit more. Here it is. Wow, it's so pretty. So the cool thing of Cala Luna is that they have a lot of this type of huge cave. They are gigantic, and they're all just at the beach. There are some of them a little further, you have to swim a little bit. There are some of them very close to the beach, so you can just like walk to it. I'm very looking forward to all of them because they're very different. I would like to give everybody who wants to come to Cala Luna, Cala Goloritzè or Cala Mariolu a very good advice. You come early in the morning would be nicer. If you come in the afternoon, you can still enjoy the water, but you have to come around like 12. The reason is because that this is the east coast of Sardinia and the sun is going to set starting from like 3-4 p.m. into the other side. So you basically have a lot of shadow. You don't see the water with the beautiful sunlight and all the stuff. It's a little shame, but if you don't really care about the photo, you care about like, I want to have like nice water and like shades and you can, you know, relax without getting sunburned, maybe you can choose like in the afternoon. Otherwise, the morning is always the best. It's just that the morning is usually the most like crowded. Incredibly, a lot of people. So try to choose the way you like it. Yesterday we went to Cala Goloritzè in the morning, so it's like we reached there around like maybe 12 something. And today we are here at Cala Luna around 4 p.m. which is fine, like 4 p.m. almost. So I personally suggest that if you want to enjoy the beautiful view, just come early. If you want to enjoy like without heavy sunlight, then you come a little later. Marco e Cala Luna.
Yeah, when you're tired of the beach, too much noise and things, you come here, quiet down, do a little meditation, and then you're set.
Yeah, if I understand correctly, I think there are some birds, they live here.
Those are rondini,
Sparrows?
sparrows, exactly. These are migratory birds.
Ah,
They come to Italy in the summer, and then in the winter they go to Africa
oh,
because it's
okay.
warmer. They
Yep.
don't like the cold.
Because I heard the sound was like chich.
Yeah,
It's very interesting. Yay, we're back from Cala Luna. Did you like Cala Luna?
I liked it. It's very good. It's very scenic for those caves that they are.
The caves really make it
interesting.
special, I feel. So after the beach, of course, it's nice to have a little gelato. So we found the best gelato in the town according to the locals, and we're about to arrive very soon. Let's see. Ah, it's this one, Foncello.
Wow, from this 1958.
Let's see what's the best in town gelato. I'm so looking forward. Please don't let me down. Oh, they have those very cute little popsicles. And oh, I love the cookies with ice cream. Oh my god. But that's a huge bomb of calorie. So have some fruits flavor. Price. Looks nice. Oh, they also have granita. Maybe I can have a granita. So what flavor did you have?
Pistacchio
Mm.
and stracciatella.
Oh, stracciatella. Oh, okay, so you have the...
Ah no, sorry, no, that's not true. I got pistachio and a new flavor. I didn't know what it is.
What is it?
It's almonds and orange zest.
Oh, okay. Try it. Is it good?
Pistachio is very good.
Mm.
I'm gonna try it out. This is really also special. Has a very nice aromatic taste. It's good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And I chose watermelon and stracciatella, and I really liked it. Stracciatella is full of this like milky flavor. It was very nice, and the watermelon was just like watermelon himself being frozen. Oh, so good. I love it. In the morning, all of a sudden, there's people knocking on our car. What are we having, Mr. Marco Chef? I already lost my drone.
We
Like
can
you can
see.
basically see all the rocks and grass.
We can see
I just cannot like
the bottom of the
go
water
too
of the
much
canal.
deep because otherwise I'm